Okay, we're ready to go on, but I'm a teacher, so I'm going to be annoying and repeat myself. Just let me um, reiterate some stuff because I really want you to burn it into your brain cells here. To make straight lines with the pen tool, it's click, click, and let go. Okay. To make curves, the rhythm is click, hold, drag, and there's no need to hurry. And take your time when making curves. It's a very deliberate process. Click, hold, and drag. Once you get used to it, you'll be amazed how fast you can do it. The other thing is use the Command key on the Mac or the Control key on the PC to enable the selection tool when you're using the pen tool. Whenever you start working professionally in Illustrator, you're gonna use the pen tool a lot, and you're going to be using the selection tool a lot. You will save a lot of time, and especially it'll save your joints. Your shoulder and your wrist will not get as tired if you use this hotkey. So get used to using the Command key or the Control key to enable the selection tool when you're using the pen tool. So let's go back to this, and again I'm going to be annoying. I'm going to repeat this, enabling the pen tool. Click, hold, drag. Just like I did in the last video, click, hold, and drag. And clicking, holding, dragging to the right so I get this nice curve. Enable the selection tool. Click, OK. So we got this curve, so what? First of all, what I want you to do is you have this curve, enable the selection tool, the black arrow, make sure that's enabled. Click on your curve. Okay, so now we can see the bounding box. This is with the, when you're using the black arrow, the black selection tool, it selects the entire object, and you can squish it and distort it and whatever, but kind of keep it in the same. I want your curve to look kind of like mine as we go forward here. I just want you to be aware of that. Okay, deselect. Now come over, select the direct select tool, the white arrow, click on it, and if you experiment with this and you can see what you're doing, like whenever with the direct select tool you can select anchor points and the handles will appear. So with the direct select tool, the white arrow, I can select individual anchor points, the handles will appear, I can hover over a handle, click, hold, and drag, and I can edit my curve. Okay, so play around with that a little bit. The other thing is with the direct select tool, clicking on an anchor point, I can select a handle, click, hold, and drag, and I can pull the handle inward towards the anchor point. So let me show you something here. Okay, let me grab this handle over here. I grab this handle, I pulled it in towards the anchor point. I'm going to grab this handle, I'm going to pull it outwards, go way far away. Let me show you something, and again, if you're conscious of this, it's going to make drawing with the pen tool a lot easier. If you have a short handle, you will have a steep curve. If you have a long handle, you're going to have a gentle curve. Short handle, steep curve. Long handle, nice, slow, gentle curve. Okay, just that'll come into play as you're doing your drawings later on. For now, what we can do is we can do Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, until you get back to get a curve that looks somewhat like this, or you can redraw it.